What's up, YouTube? It's Dara and Mia, and we're back again with another video. And today I'm gonna be making Mia some baby chicken meatballs. So she's about to be 1, August 29th, and she doesn't really eat baby food. She stopped eating baby food around like 8 months. So we've been giving her like little pieces of table food, and she eats that. So I saw on Princess Love Instagram, she made some meatballs for her little cute baby. So I got the recipe on Google, and I'm gonna make it today, right? Alright, so here are all the ingredients that we need. We need a half a pound of ground chicken, 1/2 of spinach, 1/4 of green onions, an egg, 1/4 of applesauce, salt and pepper to taste, a half a teaspoon of cumin, and 1/4 of chopped carrots. Also, we need breadcrumbs. So I combined all the ingredients, and all I have to do is just mix it together and get parchment paper on a baking sheet and roll them into little balls. And I believe the temperature is 450 that I have to put it on for the meatballs. You gotta mix it all together. Mix it all with egg and the breadcrumbs and stuff. I didn't want to add too much salt because she is a baby. So I just sprinkled a little bit and a little bit of pepper. And that's it. Alright, so all you do is basically get the mixture and just roll it into a little ball. I'm using parchment paper. Just roll it into a ball, like so. Fairly easy. Alright, so here's the finished product. We got all our meatballs on, and it's 15 minutes or until cooked. So I'm probably gonna leave them in about 20 minutes. I don't know, just depending on how I feel, but it says 15 minutes. So now we're about to put them in the oven for 15-20 minutes. Yeah, I'll show you then.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, that's so cute. You guys just do that?
Yeah.
That's cute. Here is how they look. I kept them in 20 minutes. I'm about to open one and try it to see if they're cooked all the way through before I give them to my baby. But yeah, they look like they're gonna be good. I think she's gonna eat it. Hey Mia, you ready to try your meatballs? Yeah? Okay, here. I chopped them up in little pieces. And now let's see if she eats it. Is it good? Is it good? Is it good? You say yeah? Yeah? Yeah. You like it? Oh, she's sitting here really eating it. That's a lie. She probably not gonna eat all that, but as long as she gets some, I'll be happy. Right? Oh, that wraps up our video. She's sitting here eating. She's sitting here eating her meatballs and loving it. So look out for more cooking videos. Right, baby? All right. Say bye. Say bye.